Hi guys, this is Tara Trembledon here with a box opening. As a lot of you guys know, I collect BJDs and action figures. I recently made the first purchase from a place called Hobby Galaxy, which is kind of cool. Here's the box. And I got, he's the Phantom, so kind of cool. And it says limited luxury edition. So let's open this and see. And I collect 3A figures. Not so much Marvel Comics. I probably should, but I don't. This is, oh, it's not the Phantom. I remember. Duh. He's the Nightmare. And he's one of my favorites. I'm gonna put him with my, my Hellboy when I get him. So here is the box. Put it the right way. Kind of cool. On the back. What my only concern is, and I don't know if it's true or not, when I tried to post this on Facebook to Sideshow, I don't know if they'd like it or not. Maybe because I didn't buy it from Sideshow. I don't know, but they said it wasn't legit. Well, this is by Toys Era. So I don't know what that means. If it's not licensed by Marvel Comic, I'm not sure. But I thought he was the coolest looking thing. And I don't know. This is so not the way to open up things. But I really like some of the 6 scale action figures because they're really, really, really detailed. And I like some of the monsters that are, ooh, oh, that's cool. Look at this. That's what he looks like. And I like the monsters that are actually good guys kind of thing. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, I'm excited. And I'm going to dress him differently. I'm not going to keep him in his uniform. I think that's too boring. Oh, he comes with swords. Oh, there goes one of his hands. Look at his hands. I suck at this. Don't look at my nails. Focus. Oh, he's cool. He's packaged. Oh, I love his tail. Is it bendable where you can... Yeah, I guess it is. Oh, I love his tail. His tail comes off. So I can take off his outfit because that is... I want him in like 3A like cargo pants and crouch down and like t-shirt and a hoodie, you know, type of thing. Oh, even his feet are wrapped. How cool. Look at that. And he's got, you can grip hands or just regular hands. That's neat. You take those off. I mean, his outfit's great, but I want to display him with my 3A figure, my red lady. That she has big guns. And her hair's like all sleek and she has a big barrette right there and her face is all like Vogue looking. And she's like, I'm a badass. Excuse my... Oh, those do come off. Oh, his legs are all the way wrapped. Ooh, that may be difficult to take off. Oh, I see. It's separated at the ankle. Okay, head. Dun da da da. Oh, wow. I would like to get him repainted too, probably. The paint job's not very good. But the sculpt is amazing. Even the hair is really cool. I always like to dissect things because I want to see how they work. I like how he feels too. He's really heavy. Oh, his joints are good. Look at him. He's so cool. Ooh, focus. Focus, focus. Focus. You're trying. There you go. His makeup could be better. He has like, see the scroll on his face? The scroll. I like how his eyes glow right there. But he was in one of the movies and how he like disappears and reappears, and there's a neat story behind him. His eyes aren't even too. That drives me crazy. See how this one's lower and then that one's higher? That's, yeah, his face needs to be redone. And then so I wonder if this can zip down. That's a cool zipper. He's got a fabric body and then just his head. I might have to take him apart just to see. I mean, I'm not the type of person that'll just keep him. I'd want to redress him and take him apart and totally redo him how I want. His hair is like sharp. Look at all that detail. Oh, my phone, focus. You see it? He's got some major sculpting going on. His hair is pretty cool though. I love his sculpt in his face. Yeah, really neat. And then it comes with 2 swords too. So here's his swords. There's one. And then the second one. Anything else? No, I like his little box too. It reminds me of a BJD box. Love the presentation. The presentation's amazing. Sorry, I'm an artist, so I'm like, I love the sculpt. Now I'm going to have to tear it apart, see how it works, and make it my own. He's even got, what is that, the Avengers? His little insignia. And he's part of the Good Guys Club, but he's got quite a history. I love this. This is really cool. And you can see the scroll design on his face more. I love him. He's cool. I can't wait to get some more IKEA shelving. My life is hectic. I work at a resort, and then my husband's in a different state. We're starting some restaurant type of thing and hoping they are successful or partners in some stuff. So And then I'm remodeling my house, and as you can see, if you've seen my other videos, it's totally a different color. I'm redoing the shelving in my kitchen. Actually, this whole house is new within the last few months. I got new flooring. And then he decides he's going to quit his jobs after 17 years and let's go into the restaurant business. So it's been quite an adventure. It's been fun, but I'm tired as always because I'm always doing too much. So I'm going to relax and play with him a bit. I also have more videos that I need to do of, I got an EID Apple House. I've got all kinds of neat stuff going on. I've got 2 of them. And I got an FID, and then I got some clothing from Sartoria J. And then I'm getting 2 face-ups from my FID, Evan and Bishan from Angel Toast. So once I get those back, I'll post all that. They're all in boxes right now. So, yeah. Wish me luck in taking this off without ripping it or anything. I hope his legs aren't fabric. So we'll see. I've got some clothes that I'll put on him. I've got some 3A Moody type of cool stuff. And I think maybe, I know he's into swords and stuff, but I think I've got a staff or something that he can carry. And I'm going to have the new Hellboy that's coming out 2020 in the middle. And then I'm going to have the red girl from 3A on one side, like to the side, and pointing her gun with her leg and her stilettos out. And then I was going to have this guy crouching on the other side, and some cargo shorts and barefoot and his tail like whipping around. And then crouched down with a staff or something, or natural element, or even like a, I don't know, crystal ball or something. I don't know. I might have to read a little bit more about him. I read about him, but then I forgot. So it's probably not good to make a video and then forget about the figure that you're getting. It's been 6 to 8 months since I started paying for him, but I love Hobby Galaxy. They're really cool. There's another piece that I want to get on there. Yeah, shame on me. But I love this size too. These are great. I love his joints. They're really good. But I'll take more pictures too when I get them all together. And then when I get my other Hunters, my Blitzway Hunters Galaxy, I forget her name, but it's the girl. I've waited over a year for her. Blitzway has not, I don't know if they're just waiting for enough orders or what, but it's been a little over a year since I ordered her. And I still haven't gotten her. I got the boy. I got a whole theme in my head of this whole story kind of that I want with all these guys together. It's kind of futuristic, and they're all kind of different. So I don't like ordinary figures. They're too boring for me. My dog is like grunting. I've got a wolf dog, and she was getting jealous that I was on talking to somebody, so she kept circling me. So yeah, I can't wait to put them all together and show you guys kind of what I'm doing. But yeah, I think I might, I don't know. Yeah, I probably will keep, just in case I ever resell him, keep his original outfit and everything. I don't want to get rid of that. But he is so cool. So I really like him, the Nightmare. And I like the story behind him too. Anyways, I'm tired, guys. I just drove, over an hour in snow, and then tomorrow night I got to drive to Santa Fe. So wish me luck in that. Oh, that's like 5 hours. Maybe I'll change this guy and bring him with me. I don't know. That might be kind of fun. I'm such a kid. I love his range of movement. I love his feet and I love his hands. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.